I know you're a super.
Hi guys, welcome to MCR. Today I'm going to be doing a slightly different video than what I normally do. We're going to be looking at how just as a quick one as well, that is where you'd put the oil in, whether you're changing it or you're just topping it up. You want to put it in there. Obviously you need to find the correct oil for your bike. So like I said, this one for the Lexmoto LXR year 20, you're looking at 10W-4 semi-synthetic oil. So yeah, you'll need a funnel or something to put it in there. You don't really want to get oil everywhere. You don't want the smell of burning oil either when it's on your engine. So yeah, that's how you do that. Right, so here we go. Onto the chain lube, which is this here. I've got this here. You can get them from most places, to be fair, like Halford, something like that. Any sort of place that does like car bits. But yeah, so this is the one that I've got. So basically, all you want to do, you spray it on the chain like that. If you have a paddock stand, obviously it makes it easier because you can move the wheel around. But if you haven't got a paddock stand like me, all you have to do is just move the bike forward a little bit and then put a bit more spray onto it just to cover the bits that you haven't managed to get. So I'm going to do that now and finish that off. That's basically how you lube the chain. You want to keep it lubed, so basically they say every, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, something like that, you want to lube your chain. Obviously depending on how much you use it. If you go on long rides day in day out, then obviously you probably want to lube it a bit more. Just keep checking it every now and then. Also chain tension, you want about an inch movement there, so that's there, that's fine, that's perfect, that is. So yeah, how you adjust the chain, I mean, I'll probably do another video of that at some point. It's basically, you've got a nut here, bolt and a nut here, you got one on the other side as well. So it's basically on a sliding system. You got your notches in here, so you want to line up this with the exact same notch around the other side. But yeah, like I said, we'll probably go through that one point. But yeah, that's how you check the oil, change the oil, and lube the chain on one of these. Thank you. So yeah, there we go. That's the video of checking the oil and also lubing the chain on the Lexmoto LXR. Please do check out our store for any clothing you want. Please check out other videos we've done as well. We'll be doing more videos on this bike at some point. Obviously we'd like the weather to get better. I think I've basically missed summer, but we'll see. Might be able to get a few videos out before winter does hit properly. So yeah, check it out, and give us a thumbs up if you do like it. Give us a subscribe as well. Really do appreciate all the subscriptions from all you guys. So yeah, thank you, keep watching. We'll try and make some more videos as well as we go on. Thank you, have a good weekend, bye.
I know you're a superstar.